Hey friend, I have a free workshop coming up and you can learn to paint this. Yes, we are painting a beautiful blue wren and you can join me. It's a free workshop, 3-day workshop, 1 hour each day, 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. tomorrow, the 6th, 7th and 8th of March. And my friend, you can do this. I'm going to show you in this video how achievable this is. I know you can do this, even if you haven't painted since junior school, even if you think you're slow, even if you've never used oils, even if you don't have confidence. I am here to make it doable for you. And today I'm going to help relieve any stresses you might have and help you know that you can do this. So don't forget, tomorrow go to paintingwithheather.com/free workshop and you can join me. And if you're watching this after the workshop, you can watch the replay up until the 13th of March. So come with me, I'm going to show you all the things you'll need and also just boost your confidence a bit to know that you can do it. Okay, so when you sign up to the link below, you will get a resource that's downloaded, and some of you have already downloaded this, well done, and got all your materials ready. So with this, you have all the paints that you need and also have a conversion chart here that tells you different brands, and it's also got some of the other resources, which I'm going to show you right now. So these are the things. It helps to see things physically, don't you think? A ruler, an eraser, a pencil. That's the first things that you want. Well, one of the first things is an 8 by 10 inch canvas, something similar size that's a rectangle. It's okay if it's not exactly the same. And what else have we got? Some paper towel or a rag is really handy. Now, medium. I use this low toxic paint medium from Langridge, but that's an Australian brand. But you, if you're from a different country, you could use just some linseed oil or Gamblin. That brand has some great mediums as well. Just go to your local art shop and have a look at that. Don't get too worried about that. So something to put your medium in. You want to just get like a little lid or a little container of some sort to put a little bit of medium in. And to put your paints on something, you can use either lots of different things. Just something that's waterproof. You can just use a lid off a container. I often use these palette pads, which are really handy for cleaning up easily. The brushes, we have filbert brushes, which I love very much. They're round at the top, and then when you turn them, they're very thin this way. So I have sort of a reasonably large one, a little bit smaller and a little bit smaller. I think it's like a 12, 8 and a 4 or something like that, but sizes change all over the world. A little brush, a little tiny little pointy brush too, just a nice little one. And also this one's one of the most important ones for this workshop, which is a rigger or a liner brush. It's very long and thin and has a point on the end, and that's really good for the feathers. And of course, there's all the paints, which you will have on your little download here. I use an Australian brand, mostly Art Spectrum, but there are other brands. You've got Gamblin and also the Student Winton range, which is Winsor and Newton range. But you can just look at the colours and get close enough. It's totally fine if it's a little bit different. The most important thing is that we just get the image in. The colours are not as important. It's the tones that really matter with something like this. So when you're watching the live video, and hope you can come live with me, don't worry if you can't keep up. That's not a problem at all, because when we finish the hour, you can go back and re-watch and catch up and do it that way and take the whole day if you like. I want you to start with me because I want you to get your canvas out, get ruling up, and if you want to be a step ahead, you can rule it all up too, but I want you to do it along with me so that I can help you get started. So each day we're going to do something different. The first day we'll be ruling up and drawing and also a little bit of paint. The next day we will be doing the base colours, and then the last day we'll be having so much fun with all the detail and the feathers. Very simple, straightforward. Again, you'll have the video for a whole week, so you can go back and just re-watch and do it in your own time. You don't have to keep up when we're doing the live. The main thing is you come along, start each day where I'm up to, and also ask questions and hear all the questions and really enjoy being part of the community, because that's what I love the most, is interacting with you and having a load of fun with that. So those of you that are new here, I'm Heather, and I love helping people find their creative voice. Where did all this come from? Why am I doing a free workshop? Well, many years ago I burned out and I discovered the beautiful medium of oils. So I've been teaching others how it can bring some calm and joy into their lives. I've recently actually just sold a gallery of mine and making a really big change in my life. I've been doing a lot of in-person classes, but I'm actually moving more online. So if you want more learning of how to do oil paints after this free workshop, I actually have a membership that you can learn to paint all these gorgeous little mini paintings, and you can have some mentoring with me once a week as well. So more about that in the workshop. But I found that teaching online really does work. I really learnt a lot during COVID and how beneficial it was to so many of my students learnt to paint online and actually went on to paint some masterpieces, and you can be part of that as well. So this weekend we're going to have a load of fun. I know there's a homeschool mum already lined up with all the materials ready to go for tomorrow, 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. AEDT time, Melbourne time. Both sessions in each day is the same. So if you come in the morning and then you go in the night, they'll be the same thing. So you can come and do two if you feel like you want to do that. But each day will be a different process. But you can come from anywhere in the world because we're making it doable at different times. So even if you're nervous, even if you think you can't keep up, even if you've never painted with oils before, even if you feel unconfident, you can do this. I will prove it to you. Come along and I can prove you wrong. I hope you can join me. Let's have some fun tomorrow.